I've been saying now for some time that the aim of the RSS is the eradication of all other histories, all other cultures, all other traditions in this country. That is their starting point, and that is what they want to achieve. They attack the Constitution because they want to impose one idea, which is their idea, one history, one tradition, one language on this country. And this attempt that they're doing with the education system of the different states, this is just another attempt to push their agenda. Each state has its tradition, each state has its history, each state has its language, and that is why I keep saying that in the Constitution, India is called a union of states. That means all these histories, all these traditions, all these languages come together to make India the union of states. And so that is how we have to think about it. We have to respect all the languages, all the cultures, all the traditions, all the histories, and we have to understand where they are coming from. The Tamil people have a tremendous 3,000-4,000 year history. They have their language, they have their tradition, they've had their struggles, and doing this is an insult to the Tamil people and also to all other states where the RSS is trying to impose their hegemony. And I want every Tamil youngster to know this, that this is not just an educational move. This is not just the RSS placing vice chancellors on top of your universities. This is an attempt by the RSS to attack everything that you stand for. Your history, your tradition, your language. And you must remember it and you must understand it in that spirit.